Welcome to today's broadcast. I believe you want to change your financial situation. You want your finances to keep increasing and you want to grow and multiply your money. Today we're going to be starting the financial literacy series and we're looking at the subject understanding money. The first step in your search for financial freedom is to understand money. Most people go through life without understanding money, and yet they're looking to have financial freedom. If you don't know what you are looking for, you won't also know when you find it. There are 4 things you need to understand. Your paper currency is not money. Your credit card is not money. Your debit card is not money. And your checkbook is not money. History determines today's reality and the future. All through the history, money has gone through several evolutions. Number 1 evolution of money is the hunter evolution. The hunter evolution was a time and season when everybody was a hunter. Everybody has to hunt for animals to eat. So they just hunt to eat. Lands meant nothing to them. Money meant nothing to them. All they were interested in is going to an open space, look for animals, hunt them down, kill the animals, and then feast on it. That's all they did. That's the hunter's evolution. Secondly, we went through another evolution, the farming evolution. At this point, everybody that was into the hunting evolution began to lose their relevance because people began to farm. People discovered that there is something under the soil. People began to understand the power of seed time and harvest, where they can plant the seed of yam and they could harvest more yam, and then they started farming, creating food items. So the hunter's evolution, the farmer's evolution. Thirdly, we move to the class evolution. At the class evolution, these ones were higher than the hunter's evolution and the farming evolution. Fourthly, we move to the polygamy evolution. At this stage, people discovered that land has become so powerful, and the more lands that you have, the more farmlands that you have, the greater you become. So people of different value and classes who wanted to be richer and bigger, they were valued by the number of wives and children that they had. So they went into marrying more than one wives. Some were marrying 10 wives, 20 wives, 50 wives, just to have more children. And these children would begin to work on their farmland, and that would increase the number of harvests that they will have in the farming season. And then we move to the slave trade evolution. The slave trade evolution is where people wanted to expand and discovered they couldn't give birth to enough children. So what did they need to do? They needed to start buying different slaves, buying humans from other people to have as much as they want, to work on their farmlands and to expand their territory. It also moved to the next evolution, the trade by barter evolution. The trade by barter evolution is what most of us are still using till today. This is where you come out and say, I have 10 bags of gari and I want a piece of land. And the person decides to accept the 10 bags of gari and gives you a piece of land. The trade by barter system has been so transformational, and people have used it to achieve so much and build a massive following and a massive wealth for themselves and their generation. Wealth has been on the basis of discoveries. It's funny, most people have been looking for paper currencies. The question is, what if you can get what you need without using the paper currency? So the question now is not wanting money, but wanting your needs to be met. When I talk about wanting your needs to be met, I mean to say, if you want a car, you shouldn't be complaining, I need money to buy a car. What you should be looking at is having a car, and then you begin to expand your creativity. Your ideas begin to flow towards you on how to get a car and not how to get money. Money is not paper like I explained earlier on. Money is what can be exchanged for the need that you have. You have skills, you have a voice, you have wisdom, you have talent, you have energy. These can be exchanged for whatever you need. Your skills can become money to you. You could actually a lot of lawyers, solicitors, surveyors have used their giftings or their skills to get as much properties as they have now. I know of lawyers who have exchanged their services for several plots of land, which increased in value and they became billionaires. Why? They didn't get money as paper, but they got value, what they needed. You can actually make a negotiation if you are an agent that you don't want money from the lands that you sell, or you don't want money from the properties that you sell. And then you could say, I'm going to exchange my skills and my talents, my energy. I'm going to sell your land. If I sell 10 plots of land, you're going to give me 1 plot of land. And before you know it, that agent has gotten a plot of land. And you could go on and increase your potential to get more value and more needs met as it's supposed to be. You must understand that you are not poor, you are not hopeless, you are not useless. Your need is what you need now. Like I reminded you earlier on, that you have skills and you have talents. You have something to offer in exchange for what you need. Begin to look inside, look inward. What do you have that makes you stand out? What kind of skills do you have? And then look for a way to sharpen those skills and make them marketable. And then you can exchange those skills for your needs to be met. Remove your eyes, remove your thoughts from the physical money like we know, the dollar, the naira, the pounds. Think about the money, the value you have to offer in exchange for what you need on this earth. Till we meet again next time, in our next episode, we're going to be looking at what money is. Thank you for watching this video. If you learned something from this video, please click on the subscription box below, subscribe to this channel, and then click on the notification bell so that whenever we post a new video, you'll be notified and you will continue to learn and improve yourself. You have a gift and we're willing to help you nurture your gift and train you to become a better person in your world at large. If you have any question, please post a comment below, and if this video, you learned something from this video, also post a comment telling us how this video has helped your life, and then do well to share this video.